About to go ahead and show you guys a step-by-step process on how to do lead generation in 2023 using ChatGPT. Now, my last company, BJK Production, I did over $1 million in gross revenue and around 944K net sales. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my step-by-step process that I use for every single company that I start. Now, obviously ChatGPT was not around when I first started this, so I'm just going to show you guys how to use it, including ChatGPT, and I could have made around 2 to 3 million. Who knows? IGleads.io, you can scrape around 30,000 to 40,000 emails monthly. Of course, we're going to be using GMASH to send cold emails. Look, you don't have to use my software to scrape leads. You don't have to use GMASH. You can use other programs. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the step-by-step process. You don't have to sign up for my software. You don't have to sign up for a cold email software that I'm recommending. I get no affiliate sales off this. So you can use other programs. I just want to go ahead and show you guys my step-by-step process because I'm here to deliver you guys the most value. We're going to be using ChatGPT to write the cold emails, and you want to talk to it like a human. If you've been living under a rock and you don't know what ChatGPT is right now, you basically just talk to it like a human, and it's like your personal assistant. So we're going to be doing that, and then we're going to be using Calendly to go ahead and book the calls. Now, I like this very much because when you're sending cold emails, it's kind of weird if you're just sending them to a product page or a blog. You can do that, it works, but if you can get them on a call and show them the type of value you can offer, you can close a lot of deals. And if you do this consistently every month, you will not lose. Understand that. You're scraping around 30,000 to 40,000 emails monthly. You're sending around 1,000 to 2,000 emails daily, and you're just booking calls. That's all. All you need is 1 to 5 people to go ahead and make 20K a month if you have high ticket offers. Of course, we're going to go ahead and we're going to be using IGleads.io to go ahead and scrape our leads. Once again, you don't have to use the software. You don't have to use the cold email I'm recommending. I just want to go ahead and show you guys how I'm doing it. So let's just say that I am looking for e-com stores. Let's just say I run a social media marketing agency. This works for any industry or business. I'm just giving you guys an example. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Facebook, and I'm gonna go ahead and type in e-com. Anybody that has an e-com store, because if you think about it, all these e-com store runs Facebook ads. So they have a business manager account. So we're gonna go ahead and scrape those emails. Now I'm gonna go ahead and ask for 101 emails. Of course, you want to ask for more emails just because you want to get to around 1,000 to 3,000 emails to send daily. So remember, around 1,000, 3,000 emails daily, but you want to tell IG leads around, let's just say, ask them for around, 3,000, 10,000 emails, and, it'll do its best to deliver those emails to you. So I'm just going to use 101 as an example. We're going to go ahead and click search. Now I'm going to go ahead and wait a few minutes, and we're going to get our results once the upload completes. Now you can go ahead, do whatever you need to do. If you have some more work, you can go do that. You can even log off the website. It still scrapes when you're not even looking at the dashboard. So I will be right back once it is completed scrape. Okay, now I am back. I got the completed results. So what we're going to do is go ahead and download this. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the sheet looks. As you can see, we got the name, we got the company, we even got the phone number if you want to use that, and we got the description, and we got the position. Now, what we're going to do after this is we're going to go ahead and upload this to Google Sheets. We have to upload the Google Sheets for it to work with GMASH. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Google Sheets, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this file. We're going to go ahead and import, and now we're going to go ahead and import that data. Now, once we import this data, all we need is the name, and we need the email. That's all we need. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and delete all of these columns. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete that. Like I said, if you want to, use the phone number for cold calling, you can do that as well. But we're just focused on cold emails right now. So I'm about to go ahead and scratch this out. As you can see, we got the name and we got the email. So we can just call this, I'm just going to call it ecom. Now we can go over to our email. Now, of course, you want to go ahead and download GMASH. You will get an extension. Go ahead and set that up, and it's very simple. I'm about to go ahead and show you guys how to actually use it now. So if we go to our email account, we can go, as you can see, you will get an automated email saying the scraping is completed. So that's another cool thing right there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and click on compose. Now let's go ahead and import that sheet that we just uploaded to Google Sheets. So we're just going to go ahead and click on this button right here, and we're going to click on from Google Sheets. And now we're going to go ahead and find that ecom one, and we're going to go ahead and connect to spreadsheet. Now what it's going to do is going to go ahead and import all of the contacts. So now we can send it out to our contacts. Now this is where ChatGPT will come in. Now we're going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT for we're just going to talk to it like a human. I'm just going to go ahead and type something. Okay, so I went ahead and just asked ChatGPT to write me a cold outreach email. I want to book calls with e-com store owners and I want to offer them my marketing services. So automatically they gave me a little cold email to go ahead and copy and paste. Now, if you don't like this, you can just talk to it like a human. Just say, change the headline. Okay, change pretty much change the whole email, make it longer, make it shorter. You can pretty much, customize it to wherever you like. But for this tutorial, I like how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the subject. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and copy this. And for here, we can go ahead and make it their actual first name. So now we can click on this and we can go ahead and click on the name. So now we can go back here and pretty much go ahead and copy and paste. Now we can go ahead and copy and paste this right here. So now, and we can put our name, you can put whatever marketing agency you want to put right here. I went ahead and edited it a little bit. And now we can go ahead and copy our book call appointment. So if we're using Calendly, like I said, you can use any other software if you like. Just have them, go ahead and copy paste that. And now we can just send it out to people. Now, that's all. Go ahead, keep doing this consistently, man. Keep doing this consistently and you will win. You will book calls. People will be interested if they find value and they need your help. They need a solution. They don't know anybody to reach out to. So go ahead and reach out to these people. Follow these steps. Rewatch this tutorial so you're knowing the exact step-by-step process. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like and comment. Go check out igleads.io. Go check out GMASH. And I hope we can help increase your business this year. Thank you for watching this video.